We have filed an originating application in the Alberta Court of King's Bench, the most direct and efficient way to launch a constitutional challenge. In it, we are applying for interlocutory injunction, a motion asking the court to pause the operation of Bill 2 while the full case is heard. In this action, teachers will ask the court to declare that the government's use of the notwithstanding clause was improper and invalid. This legal action is not symbolic, it is necessary. We're standing up for the Charter itself, for the rule of law, and for the limits that protect citizens from arbitrary government decisions. Our message to the government is simple. You may silence teachers in the legislature with Bill 2, but you cannot silence them in the courts. Our message to Albertans is equally clear. This fight belongs to you too. Because if the government can do this to teachers today, it can do it to nurses, to paramedics, to tradespeople, to anyone tomorrow.
We're looking at assessing the merits of that filing. We'll have an opportunity to review it. I've not yet reviewed it, but I will be certainly reviewing it very carefully with our Justice Department, and then we'll assess our position going forward. Well, the whole purpose of bringing back the Back to Work legislation and invoking the notwithstanding clause was to give families finality in this situation. Using the notwithstanding clause ensures that children are back at school, that they're where they need to be, and that no further harm is caused by them being out of school. And so certainly that we think that the Charter is well settled, the law is well settled in this situation. We're very confident in our position.
On the chances, I think you probably would have to ask a lawyer that question, because I'm definitely not a lawyer. And so I am not familiar with what the likelihood would be of success with the case. But I do absolutely applaud the ATA for taking this action. From speaking with teachers, they still have all the same concerns about those classroom conditions that they had been trying to bargain with the government on. And it is good to have the ATA get their voice in this conversation and for them to be standing up for teachers.